So here you can see that I have a video footage of San Francisco. So if I were to play it, you can see that it plays out in a certain speed. But let's say I want to speed up or slow down the video footage. So in order to do that, I simply go on into visual effects right here. And then what I can do is add in clip speed. So if I were to add in clip speed onto my footage just like this, the effect has been added out, as you can see. So now what I can do is change out the speed. So one way to change out the speed is to go around here and type it. Let's say I want the clip to be 2 times faster. I'm just going to type in 2 and press enter. What happens is that the clip is 2 times faster now. Similarly, let's say I want it to be, let's say 3.4 times faster. So now it's 3.4 times faster, just like this. Similarly, what you can do is you can set out proper duration for the clip as well. So right now it's 6 seconds, as you can see. So let's say what I want to do is I want to reduce this around to 3 seconds. So now what happens is that it is just 3 seconds long, just like that. Also, I can work around with the frames right here. Let's say, for example, and the number of frames there is, according to that, the seconds is increased as well, just like this, and you can control the speed. Of course, I can speed up. I can also slow down. Let's say, for example, I want the clip speed to be 0.5 seconds long. I mean like 0.5 times slower. That is half the speed. Then it actually slows down, as you can see. But there's a disadvantage. The video jitters if there's a very low number of frames over there in the video. So now what else you can do is you can work around it graphically. So you can go around over here and then click and drag it. And what that does is, just like you're trimming out, you can push to make it faster. As you can see right here, the video clip is faster right here. And I can pull to make it slower, just like that. If you want to change out the speed in between, then what you can do is you can simply make a cut. For example, let's say I want to speed it up over here on this section, just like this, speed it up. And right from over here, I want it to slow down. So I can split it out and then I can expand the effect and make it slower, just like this. And it speeds up and slowly slows down, as you can see right there. So that is how you can work around with the clip speed visual effect inside of Camtasia. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.